going on, guys? Today we are doing another C11 2007 Peterbilt, if I'm not mistaken. C11. We're gonna do valve adjustments, put in brand new injectors. I got remanned. Got the brand new injectors right here. Have to get new intake clamps. The part number right there. Got two of them. Didn't want to reuse two of the old ones. They were a little rusted up, and this is everything else. So today, that's what we'll be doing today. Got a motor out there getting the crankshaft out. I'm gonna upload some videos on that later. Let's go. What's up, guys? I'm using this bearing tool right here to put the engine in top center position. So what you do is slide that in right there, and then you put a bolt on the top, and that bolt right there is gonna pop in. So as soon as you're turning it, you're gonna put a little bit of pressure on this, and once it pops in, you're gonna be in top center position, and it'll lock this flywheel in place, so it won't be able to get out. So what we're gonna do now, is start putting all this stuff back in. The first thing will be the injectors. So now that we got the timing, we will go to the valve adjustment, and we will start seeing all this and start putting all this back in. Put a injector 1 in, just put the clamp on it, and then you hold it down like that and just let it sit in there and put pressure after that. And then once I put everything back in, then we'll start adjusting the intake exhaust valves, putting the rocker arms back in and all that stuff. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, so we're back. Start putting these injectors in. Just like that. I guess I need 2 hands for this one. Last one. I'm trying to get my camera situated correctly for you guys. We got all 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got these rocker things in right here. We're gonna go ahead and put the bolts in. Torque them down to spec. What the fuck? No way. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to spec. I need to get an extension, so get an extension real quick. I know you lose a little bit of torque with the extension, but we're gonna have to. you'll see it being set in. You can see the O-ring right there, and then as soon as you start seeing it sitting in there. Nice little slip. And it's in. So I'm gonna do this for all of them. I'll do this for all of them, and then go ahead and put the rocker arms back on. Alright, so I got these two in. Just need the last one. And to make sure you are a TCP with the cylinder number 1 compressed, is you can move these by hand. You can move all these by hand. This one you won't move. There we go. One more, and we should be ready for adjusting. We'll be adjusting the intake, exhaust on all of them. And I'll be showing you guys with the feeler gauge and all that, and telling you guys the specs. Let's keep moving. So we got everything in, everything's tightened. We're gonna go ahead and start adjusting. So in TCP1, we're gonna do intake valves for 1, 2, and 4, and exhaust valves 1, 3, and 5. So we'll go ahead and start on intake 1, 2, and 4, and intake's gonna be a 15 millimeter. Just let me get my feeder gauge. Gotta get my feeder gauge. I'll come also doing the adjustments on the intake valve 1, 2, and 4. Then we'll go back and do the exhaust, but the intake's gonna be 15 millimeters. And it's going to be a 5 millimeter Allen wrench with a 16 meter wrench. What you're going to do is you're going to try to slide it in there. Once you got a little bit of resistance, you tighten it till you can't move it no more. Once it's pretty good, tighten it right there. A little bit loose. That's pretty good right there. So we'll go ahead and tighten it right there. Good. That one's good. So now go 2. I didn't get him, bro. I didn't get him. One, 2, and then 4. Should be good right there. So now we will do exhaust. That was for intake 1, 2, and 4. Exhaust 1, 3, and 5. Exhaust is gonna be 25 millimeters. Check this bad boy. Okay, we'll see if we can bend it a little bit. Exhaust is gonna be the bigger one. Seems pretty snug right there. Let's go ahead and tighten. Very good. So what was it, 1, 3, and 5 if I'm not mistaken? 1, 3, and 5. Got 1, 3. Where I put on my tools. You can get it, bro. 1, 3, and 5. Let's go. And then 5 will be the last one, and then we'll go ahead and rotate it 360 degrees and do the last ones. And that should be it. So now we will be doing 360. We turned it 360 degrees, and now we're gonna go for the intake. We're gonna do 3, 5, and 6, and then for the exhaust 2, 4, and 6. Remember, exhaust is 25, intake is 15 millimeters, 16 millimeter socket, and a 5 millimeter Allen wrench. And we'll go ahead and adjust the last ones, which is 3, 5, and 6 intake. 3, 5, and 6. Perfect. Let's go. We'll be doing 3, which is this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go down a little bit. Just get a little bit of resistance right there. A little bit more. Come back, there you go. Just right there. No. Oh no. Ah. So 3 done. 5 next. Come on. So the last step for exhaust will be 2, 4, and 6. That should be it. We should be good. So go ahead and get these loose. So it's 2, 4. Millie? Got everything put back together, got the covers. Yes. Everything's back together. Can't really see that because of the lighting. But we will be turning it on. And I can upload a video after it's running. But that's pretty much the valve adjustments right there. Remember, intake is 15 millimeters clearance, and the exhaust is 25 millimeters. If you guys need any help, like on the process or what cylinder or what cylinders to injectors and all that to adjust at the TCP when the first cylinder is compressed, just go ahead and just, you know, either comment and I'll go ahead and let you guys know. But there is 2 steps. It's a 2-turn steps. You do 3 of them, then turn the flywheel 360 degrees, and then you do the last 3, and that should be it. You guys need any help, let me know. But yeah, she's pretty much done.